Good morning, my name is Tom Werek. You can find more information about me at justsellinghomes.ca. Today I wanted to talk about October 2019 Ottawa Real Estate Board's market statistics. We're going to see the total number of sales, averages for the whole Ottawa market. As well, we're going to see market stats for Barrhaven and Kanata. You can look at the description below, and there's going to be a link for Barrhaven and Kanata homes for sale. These are active homes for sale, MLS listings. They're available for viewing and they're updated every 24 hours. So you get listings every 24 hours. So the stats are for October 2019. For the residential average of sales in 2018, we had average price 449 for 19, and in 2019 we had 483,405, which is an increase of 7.6%. For the number of sales, we had 1,053 in 2018 and 1,211 in 2019, which is an increase of 15%. So 15% more sales in October of this year over last year. For the condo average sale prices in 2018, we had 269,768, and in 2019 we got staggering increase of 319,208, which is an increase 18.3%. For the condo number of sales, we had 322 in 2018 and 396 in 2019, which is an increase of 23%. Now, let's talk about the low inventory. There has been low inventory for basically 2 years straight now, and these numbers kind of hover around the same percentage. We have less than 22 to 25% in the residential market, and we have less than 40% in the condo market. So for the October inventory, this is at the end of the October 2018, and this is at the end of October 2019. So 3,098 and 2,408, which is minus 22%. And for the condo market, it's 861 versus in 2019, 527, which is almost 40%. And this has been throughout this year and as well as last year, okay? Condo market is really rebounding, and if you want to sell your condo, now is the time, okay? Now, let's break it now into Barrhaven and Kanata. For the Barrhaven active homes for sale, you can click on a link right now and access these homes, or do it after the video is done. For the 2018 in October, we had 440,657. Then the average price for October 2019 jumped to 484,465, which is an increase of almost 10%. Number of sales, we had 102 sales in 2018 in Barrhaven, and in 2019 we had 114 sales in Barrhaven. Now this is for the month of October, which is an increase of 11.8%. For the condo averages, in October of 2018 we had 246,359, and in October of 2019 we had 278,998, which is an increase of 13.2%. Now, in 2018 we sold 17 homes, and in 2019 we sold 24 homes. These are condos, which is a 41% increase. So you can see the link right now for Barrhaven. And for Kanata, I'll put a link after I describe these stats. So for Kanata as a whole, in October 2018, we had average sale price of 442,157, and we broke over a $500,000 mark in 2019, in October of 2019, which is an increase of 13.1%. In terms of number of residential sales, in 2018 we had 99, in 2019 we had 111, which is an increase of 12.1%. For the condo averages in Kanata, In October of 2018, we had 234,013, and in 2019, we got staggering increase of 365,057, which is an increase of 56% in price. Now, you have to be aware of this. Really depends on any given year what type of condos are selling. Are they lower priced or higher price? And it seems that in 2018 there was more sales in the lower price range, and in the 2019 it was on the higher price range. If you do a year to date number, January of 2018 to end of October 2018, and then you compare this to January 2019 to the end of October of 2019, you're gonna see the difference. I think I did this in the last video. It was around 266, and it increased this year for around 285. But it gives you an idea how it can be. Now, this is based on 16 units sold in 2016 and 19 units sold in Kanata in 2019, which is an increase of 18.8%. Here's the link again for active, current active homes for sale in Kanata. You can click the link and check out on my website map. You can do different searches. You can subscribe. So you can clearly see that Kanata is doing much better in terms of prices, and this was only by 2,000 in 2018 when we compared it to 2018. So when we compare Barrhaven and Kanata, and when we compare Barrhaven and Kanata in 2019, you can see that it's basically, Kanata is basically $15,000 more on average for the neighborhood. So Kanata is doing much better for the residential market, and Kanata is doing really good for the condominium market. All right, so thank you very much. Let me know what you think. Please subscribe. I appreciate any comments you may have, and if you can maybe comment as well on what other videos you would like to see. Obviously, this data can be broken down into very specific neighborhoods, street level. Anything you need, please contact me and discuss Ottawa real estate market. Thank you very much.